you watching Fina Eat, and we are in Virginia Beach. So we heard Doughboys has really good pizza. We're gonna try it out on the boardwalk. I don't know the address, but like outside. Alright, we are getting the seared sausage pizza alla vodka. Alright? Reason is because it's based off of the pizza that won first place at the American Pizza Championship. So, we'll see what it's talking like and see how the pizza judges judge that. Okay. They got a cool little wine rack to go, and I like how the restaurant is half in, half out. You pick where you want to sit. You know, we at the beach, so you get to enjoy the weather or cool off. I got cold. I put a sweater on, but it's nice. We at the beach. Let's go eat some pizza. All right, y'all. So a little history on me and VA Beach is that I've been here almost every summer since I was little. More so because me and my brothers, we play sports. So it was either for sand, soccer, basketball, baseball. Maybe once it was my softball. But, you know, shabby hotels, just PB&J sandwiches. So right now, we're staying at the Hilton on 30th Street. And we're actually staying by Neptune's statue. And that used to be the walk around, turn around point. Like we went too far. We gotta go back. We got our pizza. Finna try it. Finna eat it. It looks good. It looks good. I'm excited to try the vodka sauce. We finna eat this pizza. It's really good, actually. I like the crust when the bottom's crispy, but it's not like burnt.
Yep.
And enough cheese. I think the dough has a lot to do with it, because it tastes more like homemade dough than a lot of processed places like the Papa John's and Domino's has like a distinct taste. But it tastes like when you make it at home. It's better than DiGiorno, baby. Okay. Thank you to Doughboys on 33rd and Atlantic. I've never been this far, but I will be back again. Like I said, Neptune's place was the point to turn around. And I'm glad we went past it today. So I'll see y'all next time. Like, subscribe, hit the switch, flip the switch, ding the bell. I don't care. But I'll see y'all next time.